Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is their Floating Flower Bath Bomb. I do not live close to a Lush store, only get to go maybe about 2 or 3 times a year. And I was recently there and I thought this bath bomb was pretty cool. And I'm glad that I got it in the store because I was reading online because the flower on top is coated in cocoa butter. It's kind of hard to ship because, if it gets hot, then it'll melt everywhere. So they do suggest that you get it from the store instead of ordering online. But this one was awesome. I love all their bath bombs. I don't think I've ever had one that I didn't like, but this one smelled really good. It had almond and lavender essential oil. And it is 6.3 ounces, and it just made the most beautiful milky blue color in the water. And my bath water was super hot, so when I did eventually pick it up to see how much was left, you can just feel the cocoa butter coming off of the flower. And I just think it looks really neat floating on top of the water. And I was going to do demos of some of their Halloween bath bombs, but it wasn't out when I went to the store. I do see that you can get them online now, but there's only about 4 bath bombs. The rest are like slime and bubble bars and stuff like that. So I'm not sure if I'll order them. Mainly looking forward to the Christmas ones because they put out a ton for Christmas. I was kind of expecting a little bit more from their Halloween line, but haven't seen too many bath bombs. But leave me a comment if you want me to review those. I may end up ordering some online. But here's the last little bit of the bath bomb. When I picked it up from the bottom, that part was coated in the cocoa butter too. And I made the mistake of trying to touch the flowers and the petals just started like falling off. So it did kind of leave a mess in the tub. I mean, the petals are bigger, so it was easy to find them in the water and take them out instead of letting them go down the drain. But it was so tempting just to crush the flower and get all the cocoa butter off of it. Sometimes it's fun to play with the bath bombs. But here's what the water looked like at the end. Definitely looks way cooler in person. I feel like the camera doesn't always give the bath bombs justice. But yeah, highly recommend this one. This one's an awesome bath bomb. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more demos. Bye guys.